Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Guys, listen this video carefully. Finally, this Kimi K2 model got added to Groq Cloud platform, and this is not a Twitter Groq. This is a Groq Cloud platform which provides the deployment for various LLM models. And I was really waiting for this because many of you asked me that in Open Router platform also we will get access to Kimi K2, and also this Kimi K2 has an official API. From there also we can access the model. But what is the advantage of this Groq Cloud for this Kimi K2? Let me tell you one thing. One thing they have mentioned that token speed 200 token per second, and it is huge. If you are doing any development, then this token speed is very much required. If it is high, then you will do the fast development. And also, if you go to their website Groq Cloud, they have also added one playground, and if you just simply write hi and just press enter, you will see that hi there, how can I help you today? But the same thing if you do in Open Router or in their official API, then also you will not get this response so fast. So that's why this Groq Cloud is very important. Here you see latency is 27 millisecond and token per second 416. Okay. And let me tell you one thing. If you have seen my previous videos, this Kimi K2, then you probably know that this Kimi K2 is beating the world's top paid models, which is this Claude 4 Opus. So it is actually beating this Claude 4 Opus in terms of coding, or here you see in terms of tool use, and also this AI AMI math benchmark. In all of these areas, it is beating these popular paid models, and also it is beating this Gemini model also. So many people have also switched from Cursor or this Claude Code to this Kimi K2 because it is providing the best response, and also it is very cheaper than the Claude Code. So you will get the same or maybe better response than the Claude Code. So that's why many people got switched to this Kimi K2. But the thing is that when they are using this Kimi K2 with the VS Code client, many of you also told me in comment section that we are not getting the best speed. We are not getting the best speed. And for them, I want to mention you one thing. If you go to their official website, where you see they have mentioned in yellow color, the current user is too many. The AI generation speed may be slower than usual. We are working hard to handle it. Thank you for your patience. And this is the actual problem, that Kimi K2 is the best model, but you are not getting the correct speed, and that's why you are not getting the best output of this model. And that's why this Groq Cloud is very important. Okay, so how to use it? Open your VS Code and install the extension Cline or RuCode or KiloCode, whatever you are using, and go to their settings, and there select this API provider as a OpenAI compatible, and paste this URL as a base URL. So how I got this base URL? I just search over the internet that what is the OpenAI compatibility URL for Groq Cloud, and I got this URL, and I have given this link in description, means this base URL. You don't have to go to this web page. You just go to this video description, and there you will find this base URL. So copy that and paste it here, and you just need this OpenAI compatible API key, which is the Groq Cloud API key. And for that you have to go to this Groq Cloud, and there I have given this link in description, and there if you go to this link you will find this interface. Make sure you have login to this account, and here you see that there is a API key. And also if you want to test this model in Groq Cloud, if you want to test the speed, then there is a simple playground, and you can give the input and you will get the output. It is free. Okay, now if you go to this API key option, there you will find this create API key. Just click on it, give any name, and after that click on the submit. You will get one API key. So I have created one for me, and just copy that, paste it here. Okay, and now give this model ID. Here you see I have given one model ID. How you will get that? Go to description and there you will find it. I have done all of these things for you guys because in one place you will get all of these things. You don't have to manually go to this website and copy all of these things. This is the model name. Just copy it from description and paste it here. Now click on this done and do it for the plan mode and act mode also, and click on this done. Okay, now the thing is that this is not a free model. Okay, this is not a free model for Groq Cloud. Let me clear these things. In my previous video, I told you that Kimi K2 is free now, and it is free if you want to use it through Open Router. But remember these things, that if you want to use it through Open Router, then there you will not get that blazing fast speed. If you want to get the blazing fast speed with this Kimi K2 model, then you have to use this Groq Cloud, and the pricing is very much less than the GPT OpenAI models, or than it is less than the this Claude for Opus also. It is less than Gemini model also. Here you see for 1 million input token the pricing is $1. For 1 million output token the pricing is $3. Okay, and you have to pay this amount. And how you can pay this? You can go to your settings and there you can set up the billings. Okay, so just go to your account and here you will find this upgrade option. So just click on it and there you will find this free, developer and enterprise. And developer is the plan where you will pay as you go. So it is not like $10, $20. So whatever the amount you will pay, you will be able to use that much token only. Okay, and if you want to try it in their platform, then it is completely free. This free plan is not included for the API endpoint. Okay, to use the API endpoint you have to pay per token, and the amount is very much less, as I have shown you. Okay, and let me tell you one thing, it is very much important that those who don't know about this Groq, so this Groq Cloud is actually custom chips for AI reference. Okay, what is custom chips? So many of you have heard about this CPU GPUs. Okay, so here you see that Groq Cloud is a technology company specializing in the design and manufacture of custom chips built exclusively for AI inference. Okay, unlike traditional CPUs or GPUs, which were designed for general purpose tasks or graphics, Groq architecture is purpose built to accelerate the deployment of AI models with unparalleled speed and efficiency and predictability. So, by the way, I am not promoting this Groq Cloud. I am using this Groq Cloud for the last 1.5 years, and I have found that this Groq Cloud is very much useful. So that's why I am sharing my experience with you, because those who are switching from Claude Code to Kimi K2, they should know this. Otherwise, you will not get the best output, because through their official platform you will not get that speed, as they have also mentioned in this yellow color. And if you want to use it through Open Router, you may face some issues with the speed, but through this Groq Cloud you will not get any issue, because you will get the blazing fast experience. Okay, and what they have mentioned that they are using this LPU. Okay, they are using this LPU, not the GPU or CPU. So LPU is the language processing unit, and it is their core product, a custom processor optimized for running LLM models, not for training them. So one thing you should know, that this Groq Cloud don't store any data that you are passing or that you are requesting. Suppose you have typed a prompt and you are requesting for answer, so Groq Cloud will not store any data. Okay, so they are, what they will do with your data, because they have mentioned that they are not training any model, they are just deploying the model, or they are just running the models through their platforms. They are not training any model, remember these things. So that's why they are using this LPU, language processing unit. It is a customized processor, and they are using this type of technology, LSA, linear systolic array architecture. and it ensures predictable latency and massive throughput. And they are using this SRAM only memory. So Groq chips utilize fast SRAM memory. It eliminates the bottleneck of external DRAM like that, which is crucial for achieving an ultra high inference speed, and especially for large language models. So due to this SRAM, they are providing this blazing fast experience. Okay. And also for your reference, I have added this pricing breakdown, token pricing breakdown, that what price, what cost it will take if you use this Kimi K2 through official platform or through Groq Cloud. And I have done this comparison with this Claude Opus also. So you see that we know for 1 million input token, the Claude Opus pricing is $15 and the output is $75. But if you use it through Groq official Groq Cloud platform, then it will cost $1 and $3, and the total is 1 million plus 1 million. It is $4 in case of Groq Cloud. So in case of their official platform, if you use, it will cost 2.65, but again there is a drawback that you will not get that much speed. And you know that this is the cost through this Groq Cloud is very less than the OpenAI O3 and the GPT 4.1 model, and also it is very much less than the uh, Claude Opus also. Okay, and they are telling us that this model is better than this Claude Opus, and this it is better than DeepSeek, it is better than GPT 4.1, it is better than Gemini 2.5 plus. So why will you go for these other popular models? Use it, use this Kimi K2 through this Groq Cloud and get the best output and blazing fast experience. So you see that Kimi K2's pricing is more than 10x cheaper on input token and 25 to 30x cheaper on output when compared to Claude Opus. So I hope that this detailed video explanation is helpful for you guys. And if you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.